OBED transfer way back way. Prince Owusu Kwabena. As in transfer say, Amoah den.
And then
so demanded 15,000 Ghana cedis. Bosumi akatua. Na Kotoko so offer 8,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, say fisi de nipa ne de ne dan here. Lord Amoah.
Okay.
Right back no mawi.
Okay.
You chino ba be no.
Chelsea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ndo chino be Kumasi ba medical.
Okay.
Amo wie no. Le ane de no man na kama player no crack ase. But kono be na problem ne ye Chelsea. Na Chelsea feel say has be ba ho. Has ba ho. Na mo feel say has be busket too ba na zanza watara na ase. Bobu a obokro no nko kan kire mpanimfo no no abepen ba bi ata.
Na de watara no ne di bo ano.
O don't want so kan. O jibo nte so watara say. O say obu bi wa o chia wo player no kasa. Na initial price amobebo na no den a.
No ye player ne bo. And our club ne bo. Na say ne den ye na adwuma.
Will not even present it to the management. We look for alternatives.
But it's wrong.
It has pulley out I think on Wednesday no. No, Tuesday no. Okay. It ran a news nearby and ran a Kotoko for no call far. The nan upon a Chelsea for the show.
What releasing
it to China.
Baba and Medicas.
No Baba Edo. Leo Tosu Dumiu.
Okay.
Kotoko Bepano on Toma or Ghana.
As I say, 4 players in what they saying. Say, I do 26 no.
Baby in the review.
22.
They say Nuruddin still on by you. Nuruddin is still not back.
Nuruddin.
Yeah, the echo.
Last month or the Akatua.
I think I want to believe they pay.
And Oji June and Oji July.
July they no matter.
And I'm going to say June or Ama.
June the over boy league.
League New Year June. And July and one man, one may training.
July cry league near Bobiana.
Say July no more training about democracy. Say league the more TV Chiaka.
Okay.
To be Sabbath George.
Kotoko food there. So Kotoko metia motiana last week. Nim so mutia, me see me nim.
Omonti Tiana Katuan Kanya so omra. Omone won komodi.
Nim so mutia, I said this am cohesion. And Lord Amoah. Baba ye Kotoko player. Na me had more to a train number jibo. By this time, Kotoko phone by 4:30. Now on my unveiling. Okay. To me, what you man or pana and
no didn't me am a pen number na frɛ no.
Okay.
Na maka bibi a kyerɛ no. Ozai. E be depending mood am wo mu.
But mood wo abeka wa de na kyerɛ.
Ozai.
So good mood dance no afɛ no. Ah ko don determine.
Na sa de akwa na ye na nye o.
Entra yo ko do ko ne.
Abrantie no.
No enye.
Yo ko do ko fo.
TNT Kotoko for na no this. And for now Kotoko traditionally player Kotoko ye be 2 weeks training one back.
No say a coach Abai there. Also that coach was not feeling well.
And the coach Bansan over training.
Yeah, no coach Abai there.
Coach Bansan over training.
No,
so abu coach so.
What information that I have from them they say Kotoko either not happy about boy no behavior, but now they were managing it because of the exodus of players in the choir, you know. Now they didn't want to go to only the answer. So when it is that Kotoko has some more players now, Kotoko will come out.
Ibenya ho anu ye e de
and any contract in some so because ebe wu January
and ebe wu January
so extended 1 year.
I don't know more than 1.5 because funny say January no ye bobo second round of the league meboa
exactly
na club ni here no mas na intend to negotiation for
I say you raise this issue when Omoma no 1 year and again say the best thing is Oden can 1.5 until about half new year. Not also full season at the abo. And on Monte I said on man just 1 year. This year you can say illegally started it will end again. It just a bit ending in the middle of the season, which is also an international view. I'm also extended. And I think say okay when this issue came, Emma everybody at me I said and better management to know what to do. Management had decided to give Blay 1 year and one of them. But that time, the best thing was now middle of the season. So he gives him 1.5. Into the half of the ball, but who we are not such a full 1 year or the ball. but Oman 1 year into no CC the middle of the season once again Blay's contract to end. I say tenancy biom and negotiate if they need him. Now I'm going to extend. I think it was a very bad decision then by the management.
Okay, management, Blay na here now you say basic general and as a management
and bad there you might get
no, it was a management
based on what they also felt say.
That time no as a coach and I say on your fit that issue no why no say na no team ball bet me abo team ball nti they thought say that time no no just 1 year. Meanwhile the Blay and the management also thought say Blay is fully fit. And Yamano, Ombono by 2 years initially. And later on, we said there, anyone 1.5. Into about half a new year, now kind of full 1 year. Management insisted, say, there be, they will give Blay 1 year.
Based on where you are, the explanation how they might in Chichimu, how they might enumerate, it will show such as say. What's a muna me baby mo? Okay. What's the management feel said there?
So more, not coach, I can't say one in team born, and the things that 9 in your team born. So I won't take a risk.
Until let's assume say, they say they are Canada no. No so soon. Okay. Says a period man na fata us issue na ba no.
Yeah.
Namba.
Yeah, no.
Anana abetwem.
They no muntwem. So nyina January na.
Like you did blame no.
Asa fata January ya no January no say no that period na.
Blay.
That period na. Enti yemfa ne say fata issue aba. Ebi omo hu bibi our justice Blay on. Management ni so ni rise on because ebi because of sad now. And ye be pese contract ni enkosi ebi a January. Na yemfa nhwe ne hwe. Omo ni eyom betumi aka say omo yesa.
So sisi na Oman 1 year. So Oman 1 year. And Blay approved beyond reasonable doubt say he's fit based on the way you know. Now, just my again you know. It's just a season is as middle of the season, January. Contract will end once again. So that time no, you still need him to sit down and negotiate once again. Gon says this year, Sergeant that time no, the salary no call in somewhere 6 or 7 in Bako. So, and money here na more increase in Edemano. It's now January once again. Ebe end once again. And there, so certain the tenancy to negotiate. The man I know.
Enti yemfa say January na so. Enu that period management team your assessment on Justice Blay. Ehun say based on what wasema we kan you say bi omfu say no nya fit. Enyo assessment hu say e bi a man short term contract no. Aye assess no. Ye hwe the condition na Amoah. Okay, your man sa period no e be a short term contract no after when the condition as improvement abem it be tiama extension
also it come at a cost say
no the bibia we as bibia be take bia and it comes at a cost
and see no yes that time no they took that decision based on what they felt say based on boy no injury history be ni they know most who didn't know or take that decision no but today based on the boys availability and boy now want to say by the time the contract will end, no, the decision would be Kotoko because now the boy will be at a better position once again negotiate with Kotoko. That is in January if he is still fit. Now say I not also airborne born now. Just say on in a better position. It's either one you obey demand for higher salary or and Rwanda way. So Rwanda way ababa omo Ethiopia for ya ba omo discabe uroma omo gigi efend saying your place you koi and the boy will be in a better position to now negotiate with Kotoko for salary increment and I said one day you know so I work with so until I said by the end no the decision would have been at a loss to Kotoko.
Okay, more closer to Blay ni team no. The message is to contribute to Oma. I'm doing a question about ebusa about Justice Blay. Say team resume training almost no. Almost say Blay call for local treatment for 10 days. And I will so or the bidro or san ho yare kakra for 10 days. Nti de ho no.
Into Bosano Yare.
Aye.
Okay.
The truth of the matter is that Uza Blay, only na you know, ne injury no. A bit of a chronicle. And you know, they are managing it. And healing it completely. And the one who break a cry. Now I say, oh you know what I say, they are managing it and all the able. And a bus are not factor the agents of Baby come on that now. So
Age is say.
Oh say Blay is over 30 years.
David.
Onya age no.
Nui.
Is a Blay age that man look like so be our nyini kakra.
Say men are okay.
No so who say the time makers are no. Who say the strength. The reason why enable Blay Kotoko and you're comfortable playing Adam midfield role no is about the strength not what. But no argument that I have walk across what but to that fact. And Blay, to be honest with you, Blay is playing and continuing playing because of the supporters now. They've been the motivation.
I disagree with you.
Well,
The money more recently and the money born in supporters. Initially,
no, I'm not saying hold on. I'm not saying the supporters in the money bo. Me perceive to say, omna I know ne source of motivation. What I say, push no. Emano you know born na obono. But honestly, Blay the injury situation no, and not the best as Uncle Peno. I don't know. So say Abaso or treatment for that 10 days and the club must be aware of this. It means say they are managing the situation. They are managing the situation. So I think say now Ali was about fit. I'm not saying say the money bonus because say the motivation is supporters no. How he's still going strong and always playing no.
And a dedication.
If you are player be Uncle say.
And on a Chris Ben Daniel say or say I think Blay should be given another 2 years contract so he can retire at Kotoko. This is a very dedicated and committed player who deserves to be pampered. After 2 years at Kotoko, say supporters will build him a house and whatever he wishes as a thank you for his service to
them. 1 year.
Huh?
Omun 2 months.
Was it money 2 years?
As a team no any say if on a problem no. Chronic ne ha adwene dia obi an comment no go 2 years contract sa obi no 1 year afino so na o sa renew e dey ama no e bia in between say Blay no nya offer bia e better than Kotoko dey na then you go because they are aware of the situation unless it is cure completely now you okay and obi an say Blay is okay there's no problem and yes there now we transfer and say 3 years plan they can give to him. Now I thought in age, you know, you checking the age, my head.
No baby, I can.
Oh, just check one. I send the football. The football is age.
They are some working.
Oh, they catch me.
You are there, but
football be age out that. So
Blay is around 29 years.
One of those guys in Pona, no, teen age, no, so no. Blaze.
Omutum.
Omuteso.
So Omutum.
There be Omuteso for him to play. Omusi Asat. So.
Omutum said they be over to me abo.
Sorry. Sorry. I tell them
now was on your tomb.
Omutum. So I is a new team. Umbo team no crow di. That time no. Na say omudi become man.
So Sakrane you man penny force.
E man bebo baby an obetimi abo no. Sata under.
The Blay is 32 years of age.
Auntie yo.
And the real age by 29.
Oh, massa, guys.
As a man, I'm going to it's in the real age.
I don't believe 32 years.
It's 29 years.
Me, I don't believe.
Yeah, can't.
Justice Blay, you 29 years.
What's that?
Justice Blay, you have a picture. You 29 years.
Are 29 for me to say?
Huh? He's in the age you 29 years.
And after 29 for me to say.
29 for younger than this age.
I'm to say.
I'm younger than this age.
I'm to say.
And I'm saying, the Americans are younger than age. Picture American.
You know, be or 29 crying and him crying in the picture here. That's
the minimum. 32 is what he has. So I'll go by that 32.
Picture and deserve 32, but deserve 29.
That is what I have here.
My face and
my
face and Blaze face. Which one is more younger?
I thought Blay.
And by my face. Which more younger?
The name or your trainer or your
On time.
trainer or you know. unye bi nti say who person ni China we pani China na face na China me nya surprise because he does a lot of training that you don't do.
But
you guys 29
but when you before Frana ya nua Kwame Tanko of Angel Morning Show Kumasi also Chiamo otie program no Kwame meto nka che eto nka che na aya ma meto nka
na se oyaye Kotoko exclusive man no
sao
Kwame Tanko
okay
na se yo na
kofa se mo besheta
of football.
Tanko you be a when Kwame Tanko ye
tio
Kwame
na anu
Tanko
ya no my exclusive interview with
Dr. Ogum
ana orefia na
o na say ayokaya na na administration say no ni David ye interview
but
on the morning show
recently no nipa wonne coach na kasa no Kwame Tanko na me pesa me say all my exclusive stories from recently there only the last person
ono odi Kotoko dware Kotoko
so on the bia weekends bia ene na no stadium nti ada me Kenya no se wo be person odi asam ko fa be before pem say recently
there ko fa asam mbehye no man ka se me se
ko fa asam one interview doctor
ba still na ko fa asam mbehye Tanko
yemfansia
so bad
o be say wonya be fufu bia
no I think say no anti to aso
okay yento aso YouTube mu na magin hini wo mu ene ma ayi modede mo twetwa videos ne sa anwoma no
adasem bia ba no
Asante Kotoko the release about one thing ade won wi
debut
okay na release o mo de aba ne say na we production
yeah
okay asema mo de aba nyina ne say o mu tu obi afo o ma mo ba Kotoko training grounds e betwa mfoni e be recordings titru the Kings project koso e wa Asante Kotoko training grounds no omo ka e de akiro bibia se omo sremo oh ya de sre David ya de sre ada zakito timi metia me ni de meka asema ka se je to omo sremo ze munyai na mom se opese okotwa mfoni bi wo Kotoko training grounds a ese wo tro the Black club no na club net me ama kwa no kwa ye then I become found
say I'm all right they're exercising they are right me personally I don't see anything wrong with it
to support too.
No I don't see anything wrong they are exercising they are right me Kotoko training grounds there have been times I've gone there but normally Kotoko training na Kotoko be and se me koho me ntwa Kotoko training na nkasada se me twa me ko omo wo ho no maybe say me twa this portion say there be ane no watcha to a study me Kotoko training kapi kai omo call training on back report na me ye mko gina ka bi ho na mko ye report. My first report we could not Kotoko bus because that was the only available place I'm not making and capture Kotoko training no and I'm try me na me ne Kotoko supporters din komo and I'm we could jina a soro baby kra and I'm could try my report so I think it's in the right direction.
The Kings project no going to be track
that so omoma
omunsi obi akwan yo omunsi opese wo ya Trobra club every club no eno I don't know
ewo ne side a enye obi a na be accept ni ye
won accept
oh me say enye obi a
e ba yeso obi accept
I'm speaking from my experience me kaisa Kotoko Express after see a launch no and on the front page in there we know almost all the stories no but you have to go and read to get. So one media house called me, Nana. Omo bisa me questions about the front page. No bisa my answer. I realized I said my answer be briama the content of documents no. Ni nyina ya akwa I told them so them Mr. Amoah. Ta tu idie mo me nkipu na mo nkoyere. Mo nkoto no mo nkan. They did not take it on a good note. They also said that near Kotoko match sudura emfa Kotoko Express embo ho dawuru. It's that make us say there are two sides of it depending on nipani position. You will be obeji atum obeti wase fine, you will be also say okay especially obia for some time now ababe the source of content no. If you are seizing that person from getting his content, ebia no so and taking it on a good note. But many part now almost say if you want to come there, write to them. Nti ho na ebia nipa ne troba na reject na. E ho na ebia also no time so so ba ne ho a ebia no so be den. Ebetimi atwetwe ne ho kakra. But this is clearly a way to streamline what comes out of Kotoko training grounds. Mesana me hu ne keke. Kuruma no there is always a way around things. Nti me say okay enya asemo mame. Someone like me enya asemo mame because so see entro. All right. You are saying the person should ask for permission. I'll come and ask for permission. And I know, sir, when you ask for permission, they will give it to you. Clearly, this is not an attempt to say, no, they will give it to you. Because so many will ask them. But about the say, no, nipa do send a better until automatically na a bearding, a free. No, streamline what will come out of their training. Because probably they feel that one, some of the Nyome from training grounds neighbor, it complicates how they are able to speak to the public. And at the end of Bakwaba, one can him, you know about me and Saba, a beka crab banana, a will be stream training grounds in the cry live. So all said sometimes you need to prevent certain things, and son about the Drew baby, I almost share it. So there are two sides of the coin. Se nipa ne troba na wa man a chance now started a toss on a dia. I know people have on a be a man for beka selective relationship.
Be a person who be a in account.
No attract.
Exactly. And as I
no, you see,
I don't think so.
In the first place, minimum why we should be yes and I'm not therefore any media house things he has the right to go and form Kotoko training. In the first place, I say my colleagues no I say only to me say Kotoko training I go from their training. Eti young customers and here so that they won't see someone things that or more right being a AJ from
no sorry there.
You understand?
No right. And property.
And property. And I like the fact that almost can say not warning. So open best idea now. Their legal team will deal with you. And something that they think say one. And Hannah, but you see, all this will blame the Kotoko management and the IMC. Because you see, so why is your person who supporters we be to appease and I say we be ama or say oh these are the things that it creates. Training. Where coaches design strategies, tactics, and yama. And untina bruni, and ma quine say, now walk to support the same bruni. Now, Olympic Games, kind of 6 points because coach in the drone, I spy Australia for training.
Illegal.
What's also illegal? Eti adia coaches jibo omun pe kra say ye twa mu training enu ntina even pono oko for example La Liga ne Premier League ne Bundesliga na the right holders no am say is it one of the days in kwan mo kwan enu pono ye me twa mu training now on be tena wa just time o me warm up ne sa nyama no they only take it for production. But training on me and Ankasa, even the right holders, your momuncha, and Runtina, if you get ethnic training distinct from your club, and a club now, push me on one nature now, posty. And see, as we see today, the premiership start here, Utu DSTV, Muna Osha, Sky Mono, they won't get you the actual training that teams need. The only thing that Obenyan say warm up being Tanya no more about bonte. But I know the agreement between the Sky and class no. Say some say 5 minutes 10 minutes be to go to training grounds, no more to church as I no for production. And see all the Obiano got a funny problem. They have to protect coach no any boys no because anhwe ni ya bo hu je say na OBED kai omu train akwa match weekend mi bo na ensonso ni YouTube no o stream no opponent na ehwe to see the kind of things that Kotoko are doing there to come and play with their match. It on kwa jibo. I think the writing say you say training there who supporter no chroma say kra no dey here na enyo dey here na say weekend mo baba boom aba support no Jessica dey free na money je ho sa ye ko training ga ye ko
say don't stop supporters no
like me support the person
now media house needing come
oh now I'm say maka media there no and I'm say young supporters a pet ko team training ye per too much
they
here no
I say we assume that way
oh there be they here na match days no and team jai teams no munyo maso ngi ba sa me kan nyane o because no de bia ko tieni bo ana ya owi aba akwawe onya chance bi obo twetwene ye na na o mo se striker bi ben den wa bo ato atwene na nam krom akwawe onyade na na fiteni ngra no onyade no dudu na fiteni ngra na ebo
na training grounds akito how many percent no
mani nwe
na nu ya nipa de go na ya adekoto
nya de park so
na nu nipa de go ya adekoto and I think say Kroma see obi anye na dwuma na say Sunday go and support the team. Media man wodwuma na say Sunday you go and cover the matches. Coach na dwuma na say on the boys no ebenye their privacy to train and train very well and come and play matches. Until how kwa Kotoko towns up to them. The only thing is on be enforce so on be enforce asaba ye Kenya no who infrastructure today House of Oak they are training untim ko hwebi because the places
Kotoko dem problem no okay so we dey we ya o de koto mutimi strike untimi sa cheche moy
oh yeah that's striking
so we dey koto
chankwa dey untimi strike
na untimi
I say no content
na say Kotoko japa dey
there be no content at the time I will channel that's where you stop the person but we chat at the kwa untimi stop on that's why you take legal actions tell on illegal actions no but not on content actions to commit me I can say illegally when invaded their privacy what about property so which Ghana mremuno is an offense say untimi roy repa say untimi obintimi mba ofie no kuta camera o even police crown or ba ofie abesearch here so here search warrant before so etimi search ofie so legally say Kotoko hu sa account we and they can associate whoever is behind the counter. They can serve you and take you to court legally. But say content no be striking in their own team.
okay Zax where we
and to the me look at the funny I think say let's say boy nya try ke nya no Kotoko I don't that one so me ni
free head do
on so me ni because o my we here me dey aba wa bra me need permission to come me be on security to one I can't enter. And I think that as my Kenya, you know, I don't want that in say ye fence ho sports complex, no complex not AJ sports complex now complex no minim the other also because it's all a complex. They say you complex in front minim ya no complex. It's not a complex. They say you complex in front Dina ya they be an AJ sports complex and a gender sports and your complex be just a training ground.
complex ni dey
so complex you know complex
me dey minim na ba che me dey
complex here so and then you know pictures na mo dey bra na almost they want the in the future they almost some year hono no and they complex bibia training way gym and again bibia am kokko di na keke di nini na bibia you can do it over there so what I say but when the training gang again mo kwa na ko train no bia ko ni and you know in the future Kotoko send ye na no mba ye bo e ka say ye hwe nim say de o kai no mba ye no they should be thinking about improving arekoda show no send be ya intruders cannot come there before bet me enter honum no because we as I can obi ko sha wuram and the cameras are be jibo yet obi to zoom pa from bare 100 meters o
send your hu a
omuso omu hu a omede be ma omo lawyers
sanity.
Na on wins way.
Na so na ko twa de kwan. Nya ba bi na de bo akoto.
Na no unim me.
I don't know ni o de ko akoto ba bi.
Na hono say bo me na to so unim.
Obi ye YouTube Facebook
you faceless for.
Faceless
unim mo.
Obi hu omo.
Oh jibo me see faceless for her.
Awu hu omo.
Unu ni pakra ene.
Account no ko di na ode ye no. Obo won say unim like in person unim dia unim no nya no ode ye na YouTube no. Bebre ho.
Eti we na omo ebe nya omo pa ayo omo magidi no. Omo magidi. Nti wagidi a wa oso wagidi na awodi no. Wa oso wagidi no. Me say me fa pe be nya asebiti me no.
Onko
Me tro letter am de aba edo an.
Na ko ba bi no.
Nti letter they rejected the animal who say
okay.
Ya approve letter no.